Hello, lovely listeners and viewers. Thank you once again. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming back to this channel. On today's video, we're gonna dive into creating your first post on bloggerblog.com. Remember, in our previous video, we talked about creating a blogger post on your blogger website. So this is our website, just like we created on our previous videos. So there's nothing here. So today I'm gonna walk you through how one can create his or her first post or any other post that follow. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification button so you see from us each and any time we post any video. So without further ado, let's delve into today's tutorial. So first of all, you get to your dashboard, you click on post and it loads. On your top button, your down right button, there is some small add sign there, so you click on it. It says creating new post. So what we're gonna do, this place is gonna contain your title. This place will take the body. This is the font you want. This talks about the font sizes. What I like it to be a heading, a subheading, a major heading, paragraph. It follows as usual. We have our bold, italics, the underline. You have this as well. You have the colors. So there are a variety of colors one can choose from. You have this into, and it helps a lot. This is the link button, so anytime you want to link anything, you click on it. This way we set our images in the post. So let's say you have your photos, in your photos, or any other blogger, or by URL, you can post it here. It's quite simple. You can add video too, whether from your computer or from YouTube directly. You have emojis. The alignments as follows: the left, the center, the right, justify. There is a number. There's a number and a lot menus here one can use. So without further ado, let's try and create our first post. So this is my text that I came out with. So first of all, try and write some unique articles that will suit you. So this is my title, and I come here, try it and copy each and everything, select all. So this place, I copy. You get your dashboard, long press. Remember, we are using mobile phone. If one is using laptop or computer, what you just need to do is to right click on your mouse and you can press, or you can control V. Yeah, so we have it here. Everything is nice. So let me walk you through how some of these features work. So let's say for the first line, I want to make it bold. So I highlight it and click on the bold sign. If italics is what I need, I click on it. If underline too, it's cool. So let's say you want this font to be big. Let's say you're gonna click on this TT sign. You can choose the normal, you can choose the medium. There is large and largest as well. So this is how it follows. And what else? Like I used to say previously, we have the colors. So what you're gonna do is highlight, click on the color button, cool. When you unhighlight it, you see it's there. It's glamorous. Everything is nice. So there is another one gem to here. When you finish with your post and everything, you have to click here. This side, you can set your label. So let's say dance one. Okay, we're gonna click here. Yeah, so I think it's cool. So we have our dance one. So don't worry, in our next video I'm gonna teach you how this place works, and there's like the back office and how the front office too, how it appears at the front office. So there's it. You have our label. You can choose to do something about the permalink, but I prefer you leave it by the default. Location too is not necessarily needed. I'll walk you through this one too. Okay, so let's say you want to set your images. So you click here, you hit enter, then you look for the image sign that I said previously. So you are choosing from a device. Wait for it to load, choose files, media picker. Go to our images. Boom. Select. Alright, so we have it here. With this sign, the certain sign, you can choose to click on it, whether you want it the original size, extra large or large. So I'll prefer the original size and type in dance tutorial 1. Okay, that's cool. So you have it here. Don't worry, it may seem more bigger, but when it appears on the front end, it's cool. You're gonna hit on the publish sign. This is what we call the publish sign. You see publish. Yeah, so when you finish, you hit on the publish and you confirm. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so now let's view our blog and see what we've done so far. Congratulations. So we see we have our first post here in January. We have our title, we have our subheading, our image, and it follows. So this is a cool thing. We do have some share buttons here as well. I've not even recognized that, but it's cool. So this is how it is. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification icon to receive more from us. Thank you.